Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we will explore why Palantir is the top AI stock to buy, comparing to C3.AI. We'll also delve into Palantir's valuation and long-term potential. Stay tuned for more tech comparisons and hit the like button. Subscribe for updates on Palantir and other growth companies. Let's dive in. Palantir Technologies is a prominent player in the field of big data and AI, catering to both commercial enterprises and government clients. Despite experiencing a 13% decrease in Q2 revenue, the company is projecting a robust 16% growth in the current quarter, and has set its sights on an impressive 19 to 20% compound annual growth rate beyond 2023. In terms of financial stability, Palantir is well-positioned for future success, boasting approximately $3 billion in cash reserves and virtually no debt on its balance sheet. However, the primary concern centers on Palantir's valuation, which is characterized by a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 63, and a forward price-to-sales ratio ranging from 14 to 16. While some bullish investors argue that these elevated ratios can be justified by the company's impressive growth rate, projected to increase from 13% to 19 to 20%, inherent risks persist. Any failure to meet these growth expectations could precipitate a sharp decline in the stock price. Despite its robust balance sheet, potential inclusion in the S&P 500, and impending catalyst on September 14th, vigilant monitoring of revenue growth and the achievement of projections remains imperative for the fundamentally sound company. When evaluating investment opportunities in the dynamic field of artificial intelligence, two prominent players come to the forefront: Palantir Technologies and C3.AI. Both companies operate in the AI sector but have distinct characteristics that may appeal to different types of investors. Now, before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's now turn our attention to C3.AI, formerly known as C3.IoT. This company, with a market capitalization of $3 billion, shifted its focus to AI in 2019. While significantly smaller in size compared to Palantir's $33 billion market cap, some investors see C3.AI as having more room for growth due to its lower starting point. Analysts have recommended holding C3.AI stock, and their price targets range from $14 to $42. Notably, C3.AI has seen its revenues rise by 11% year-over-year, reaching $72.4 million. This growth can be attributed in part to a substantial AI contract with the Department of Defense. Management at C3.AI is optimistic about the company's future, anticipating a compound annual growth rate of 15% in sales. One appealing aspect for investors is the relatively low forward price-to-sales ratio of 10, making C3.AI more affordable when compared to Palantir. However, it's important to consider the risks associated with C3.AI, particularly regarding its previous target to achieve adjusted profitability by Q4 2023, which may not be met. Now let's shift to Palantir Technologies again. This company is a larger and more established player in the AI arena. Palantir's market capitalization stands at $33 billion, signifying its robust presence in the industry. Palantir has been profitable, boasts a strong balance sheet, and has several upcoming catalysts that pique investor interest. These catalysts include the potential inclusion of Palantir in the S&P 500, which would draw more attention from institutional investors, and the upcoming AIP conference, scheduled for September 14th. The AIP conference is particularly noteworthy as it will showcase Palantir's AI-powered large language model, a technology with promising applications for commercial enterprises. Despite these positive aspects, some investors have raised concerns about Palantir. One major point of contention is the company's valuation, which may appear elevated when considering traditional metrics like the price-to-sales and price-to-earnings ratios. To justify this valuation, Palantir needs to demonstrate sustained growth, which is where some skepticism arises. While the company's growth rate is expected to accelerate from 13% to 16% and eventually to 19 to 20% in the coming quarters, Questions remain about whether it can maintain this trajectory. In conclusion, the decision to invest in either Palantir Technologies or C3.AI should be driven by careful consideration of your individual financial circumstances and investment objectives. It's essential to factor in elements such as your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and overall portfolio diversification strategy. Palantir Technologies offers an enticing option for investors seeking a blend of stability and growth potential. With a solid foothold in the AI sector, a history of profitability, and upcoming catalysts such as potential inclusion in the S&P 500 and the forthcoming AIP conference, Palantir presents an attractive investment opportunity positioned to benefit from the evolving AI landscape. On the other hand, C3.AI provides an intriguing alternative, particularly appealing to those comfortable with higher risk levels. As a smaller company, C3.AI possesses a significant growth potential, accentuated by its lower starting market capitalization. Always remember that it's important to acknowledge the increased uncertainty associated with C3.AI's growth and profitability projections. As you weigh your investment decisions between these AI-focused companies, staying well-informed about the dynamic developments within the AI market is paramount. The AI sector undergoes continuous evolution, marked by swift advancements and shifting trends. To make prudent investment choices, adaptability and unwavering vigilance are essential. Whether you gravitate towards the stability and growth offered by Palantir or are enticed by C3.AI's growth-oriented prospects, a carefully researched and informed strategy becomes your guiding light. With such a strategy, you can confidently steer your investments in alignment with your enduring financial objectives, navigating the dynamic landscape of opportunities in the AI sector. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.